Combining a hot Ram Air III-400 with razor-sharp aesthetics and an exclusive column-shift 3-speed, this legendary 1970 Pontiac Trans Am is sure to provide miles of turnkey bliss. A meticulously restored F-body that's one of only 1,339 Ram Air 3-speed Trans Ams produced for the 1970 model year. This first-class Firebird wears correct polar white two-stage that's set off by aggressive blue war paint. The car's solid body, blasted bare and rotisserie restored, displays smooth, flat panels that are complemented by better-than-factory alignment. Freshly installed during the detailed restoration, correct Sandalwood vinyl is clean and crisp, easily defying this Trans Am's age. Tasteful bucket seats boast meticulously rehabbed Ssnake-Oyl belts. A new dash cases fresh factory gauges above correct Delco audio, and the driver spins a black formula steering wheel on a simple chrome shifter. Under the hood, 400 cubic inches of proven Pontiac power hides a 1970 specific casting number behind a Ram Air III-spec YZ assembly stamp and a matching partial VIN. And an original Turbo-Hydramatic 400 3-speed spins a tough 12-bolt with 355 gears. When the sun is warm and the road is beckoning, this Trans Am is exactly the kind of classic that can answer the call. Pontiac has one of the richest histories of any automaker, and there's a reason second-generation Firebirds are a rarity in our showroom. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.